Hey guys, welcome back to Michelle's STEM Journey. I'm Michelle and I'm here today with another AMC Problem of the Week video. This week's video comes from the year 2020, 10B, Problem 10, and it deals with geometry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. The problem states a 3/4 sector of a circle of radius 4 inches together with its interior can be rolled up to form the lateral surface area of a right circular cone by taping together along the two radii shown. What is the volume of the cone in cubic inches? So when we create a cone using this picture given, we should know that the two radii come together and that forms the slant height of the cone. And then so this circumference right here, that will be the circumference of the base of the cone. So you can kind of imagine the cone like this. And so this would be 4, and then this right here, that circumference would be this. So to find out the volume of a cone, we need the formula 1/3 pi r squared times h, which is the height. So we have 4, which is given. That's the only number we know. Well, we can figure out the circumference of the base of the cone because that is just, like I said, this right here. Or we can figure out the circumference of this circle and then just take 3/4 of it. So to find out the circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. And in this case, we only need 3/4 of it because this is not a full circle. So that'll be 2 pi times r, which is 4, which is 8 pi. 8 pi times 3/4, which is 6 pi. So that is the circumference of the base of the cone. Well, like I said, the formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Well, we know that that is 6 pi, so we can find out r to figure out the radius of the base of the cone. So pi and pi will cancel out, r would be equal to 3. So that means that right here, this is 3. Well, if this is 3 and this is 4, then what is the height? Well, we can use Pythagorean theorem because we see that that is just a right triangle. So 3 squared times h squared is equal to 4 squared. Okay, so the height is equal to the square root of 7. Well, now we have all of the components we need for the volume of a cone, which I'm going to write right here is 1/3 pi r squared times h. So it would be 1/3 pi r, we said is 3, squared is 9, times h, which is the square root of 7. And now we can just solve, which is 3 pi times the square root of 7. So the answer is C.